What's up, YouTube? I'm Precious Kisses, and we're back with
Lakai
to do another
Take Ova Tuesday. Let's get it.
Let's get it. So before we get started, I just want to say I am going to be doing Lakai's Samson braids. He will have braids all around the perimeter of his hair, and then the back will be out and it will be stuck in several different ponytails so that he can have one ponytail hanging in the back. Samson braids. Here we go. As you can see, his hair was already detangled and in a ponytail that he actually wore to school this morning. And I'm basically just kind of making sure everything that I need is done, his base parts and the perimeter parts, which I like to get out the way first. Keep watching, let's see what happens. This is actually a shine gel that I use. I always use it on the base of his parts. I think the part that you don't see once I actually start braiding is that I actually use shea butter baby on the ends of his hair as I'm braiding. As always, this is my per usual, so nothing special there. We use the shea butter on the ends of his hair.
Right now, I'm focusing on getting through to the end.
Most people want to know if I have a style in mind when I start. The answer to that is no. I am kind of playing it as we go and as we work, and I just let his hair tell me what I want it to do to get the style that I have in my head. And if you can tell, King stuck his head in to say hi to everyone. Okay, y'all, before anybody try to go hard on me, let me just say I am starting to wear a waist trainer because I'm getting back in shape. I've gained several pounds, so it's time to fix that before anybody mentions that I'm wearing a waist trainer. Yeah.
Y'all go ahead and subscribe and slice that like button. If y'all can't tell, this boy cannot keep his eyes off the monitor trying to figure out what I'm doing to his hair. He's just like his brother.
I like that she looks and makes sure that everything's in order. I can already tell it's looking fresh. Hey, look at my hair looking fresh.
So in case you wanted to know, I am a master stylist. I have been licensed for, like I said, more than 23 years. I've owned several salons, and now I guess I'm the boys' own personal hairdresser. But I am very precise with my parts and my braiding, and I definitely come for it when I'm braiding their hair. I gotta bring it because I feel like people are watching. Yeah. Throughout this process, what you don't know is I broke 2 combs on this boy's hair. I literally broke 2 combs on his hair. Right here, I am basically detangling his hair because he has really thick hair, and I have to get it smooth and kind of brushed out thin. So I did put some jam on it so that it can kind of thin itself out a little bit, so that the ponytails won't be bulky when I put them in, if that makes any sense. I am adding water so that it's easy to detangle, and that's Miss Jezzy Not Today is what I'm putting in now, and just brushing it through so that everything will be thoroughly detangled and smooth when it goes into these ponytails. Right here, you can tell how sleek I have that hair. Like, it is not big and puffy at all like it was when we first started, and it's just kind of smoothing itself out. So this is his third and last ponytail right here, and I'm just basically brushing it out. I do wonder if anybody can tell that his hair has grown in the last few weeks since his last style. It has grown a lot. I've been testing out a new growth oil on him, and he has some amazing growth, so I'm thinking I have a winner. We'll see. Here's the style. As you can see, everything is braided. It mocks each other on both sides. He has 3 ponytails. I did use the Shea butter and moisturizer to moisturize and seal his hair. And there's me putting on the growth oil. It is Ayurvedic, and I feel good about his hairstyle.
My mom be killing these hairstyles.
So I go ahead and as a finishing touch, I add the foaming mousse and I rub it all in. And basically his style is set to go. So he's done. Stay tuned for more upcoming videos. Go ahead and smash that like button, subscribe, and in the meantime, I will see you all in between time. Stay tuned for the pictures. Yeah, pictures of his hair, how it looks in the back, and how long it has grown. This is super amazing. Result. But what is amazing is we're going to go ahead and cut his hair in his next video.
Head down.
The style is fresh. He said that he looks like the guy from the movie Aquaman or whatever. So yeah, we like
it. And that's what we call Simpson braids.
In the meantime, I will see you
done by a professional, baby. Peace.